Now, we have done a deep dive analysis into this company, and we have produced a slide deck of more than 110 slides. So if we look at this industry, it's actually dominated by 3 global players worldwide. As you can see in the chart here, which shows the market share in 2018 by the Nielsen reports based on the volume shipment of the POS. The top 3 players are Verifone, Ingenico, and Pax globally. So some of the reasons why this market can actually be so concentrated is that, so is it worth looking at these industries overall? And we think the answer is yes, because there's strong tailwind. If we look at some market reports, they are projecting this industry, POS industry, to grow at about 15% compounded annual growth rate from 2019 to 2024. So that's a pretty strong growth. If these projections turns out to be right, as long as you keep your market share, you can basically grow at 15%, which is pretty good. And on top of that, this industry also has a long runway. Now, the next very interesting thing about this industry is that we happen to be in a year where there are some market disruptions and developments going on. It was founded in 2000, it entered into Korea in 2001, then it got selected as a supplier for some of the big merchants in China in 2002. In terms of revenue, as you can see here, it's grown pretty well from about 500 million Hong Kong dollars in 2009 to $5 billion Hong Kong dollars in 2019. That's 10 times. And gross profit and other profits have basically followed. So in terms of CAGR, from 2009 to 2019, the revenues and profits are all above 20%, as you can see here. So that's pretty good growth. Just to give you a sense, gross profit margin is around 40% now, which is consistent with the past. So that's a pretty good margins. Now, if you compare Pax gross profit margin with its competitors,